Hello friends! Today we are in Moseley, Virginia, looking at one of Schell Brothers model homes in the Magnolia Green community. This home is absolutely beautiful. It is their Cassidy floor plan. It features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a little over 3,300 square feet. This particular model home has already sold. However, I have good news. This same floor plan is available in their quick move-in inventory. If you have any questions about the floor plan or the builder itself, please don't hesitate to reach out. My information is down below. I will also link the quick move-in home that's also available. A little bit about Schell Brothers, if you aren't familiar with them, they are a great quality builder. They are considered a production builder. However, the level of production is very luxury, as you will see. It's semi-custom, meaning you can make really great changes to any floor plan. You can add on rooms, remove walls, all the things. As always, remember, I am your go-to real estate resource, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Virginia area, or even if you are in another state and you're interested in buying or selling. I have referral partners all over the country. Enjoy the rest of the tour.